afternoon stream apparently, and that's fine, I guess. You know, it's not ideal, but it is what it is. But good morning, guys. Are we ready? Can you tell I've had a good mental morning? So I'm ready for this. I'm excited for this. It's going to be just grand. And last thing I gotta do. That. Awesome sauce, I think. Awesome sauce. Nearly awesome sauce. Okay. We are ready, steady to do this thing. Not yet. Nearly. Now we're ready, steady to do this thing. Wow. Someone woke up feeling sassy, David. Just saying. Someone woke up feeling extra sassy, and I'm all for it. It's fine. I'm here for the sass. Okay. Oh, what the? I thought you just said that you wouldn't be mean to me, and here you are being mean. Wow. Disgusting. Just disgusting. Okay, I wanted to see something quick sticks. And tapped in and tapped in twice. Okay. Are we ready for today? I mean, that's valid. Hey, Trade Delicious, how you doing? Are you ready for today? Is everyone ready for today? I personally am, I think. No? I'm gonna try and be positive. Easier said than done, but I'm gonna try to be positive. I mean, I've done everything in my power. Well, apart from doing a little bit of research. I should have probably done some research this morning. I got distracted. I had things to do. But I went for a run to get all the mental things out of my head. I took my dog for a walk on the beach. Again, just to then breathe and relax. And I sat down and I mentally prepared. So I think we're good for today. Let's see though. Hey Boom, what's up? And Rinsler, how you doing? Karan Sharma, hi. Jake King, what's the stream about? Trading? Yeah? Trading the Nasdaq futures. What's interesting? It scares me when people say interesting. Bob, hi. Can't sleep, Bob, I'm assuming, yeah? Diamante, how long was my run? It was only like 3Ks. So it was a 15-minute run. It wasn't like hectic, but it's still, a run is a run. It's a small town. Maybe I need to find a longer route, but it was a decent 3K run. Thanks, Jake. Thanks. Boom, what you humming? What you humming? What is my name? Fireman? My name is Maya. May. Oh, Jake, are you Australian? Sorry, that was very... Anyways, are you Australian, out of curiosity? Oh, thank you, Mr. Jack. Yeah, I feel like I can get back into routine now. It was all out of whack last month, which is probably why mentally it has not been great. Yes, just mentally just been a disaster. But now, routine is back. I can start to do things properly again, which is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, the daylight savings actually works in my favor. It gives me an extra hour in the morning to do things. I don't feel like I'm rushing. And I still have enough time with the horses in the middle of the day. So the daylight saving is actually quite cool. Ooh. I didn't expect it to keep dropping down this low. When I logged on this morning, I was like, okay then. Yeah, let me check the higher time frames. What is everyone's thoughts for today, by the way? Also have a look here. And then let me respond. Hey Nanomix, how you doing? Oh, sorry, I've missed a lot. Wow. Okay. J King, yes, there is, but it's, you get used to it. You get used to it. Yeah, do I watch anime? Fahim? Yes, I do. I do watch anime. Nanomix, why can't you sleep? What's up? Hello from Finland. Hi. Hi from South Africa. Taking a nap around 7. Ooh, nice, Bob. Why was it a big day? If you don't mind me asking, you don't have to respond, obviously. J King, to be honest, it was literally just because you said mate. Yeah. And I was like, huh. You're Australian. Am I a student? No. Yep, guess it's still kicking. I thought $3 would be kaput, but I doubled it overnight on Ethereum. Did you go all in? Renzler, did you actually go all in? Hey, Doc Pipslow, what's up? What be the lowest quantity that one person could begin investing and see real profit? Oh, Pedro, I'm not 100% sure, mostly because I don't really do investing. I do the day trading part of it, so it's a little bit different. Still, sorry, not 100% sure. People that do investing, answers? Yes, no, maybe? Do I have an economics degree? No, I don't. On $7 now. Let's see how far we can take this. Renzler, I love. This is amazing. You're gonna have to keep us updated the whole time. What's on your mind when you say you have to clear? Oh, Mr. Jack, coming with the good questions. I tend to overthink things a lot. Just things in life in general. And to bring that into trading is not ideal. That's where you make mistakes. That's where silly things that shouldn't have happened start to happen. Speaking of, I need to mark the Asia high. So basically the run just helps me. I don't want to say this because it's going to sound really bad. But I guess you guys would understand. It helps calm down that overthinking voice in the back of your head that says, what about this and this and this and this and this? So the running just helps get rid of it. Look, just chilling down. Not a bad time to buy. Okay, wait. So, Diamante, you think it's still gonna go down? Michael, not a bad time to buy. You think it's not a bad time? You run 3Ks each day. Not each day, Renzler. But yeah, in general, I run 3Ks. Oh, ellipses. Good morning, non-human. How you doing? Jake King, what's the okay. Okay, I've missed a lot. Oh, a lot of messages. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, thank you, Boom. Thanks. Boom is setting everything straight. Rip, hi, how you doing? Hey, High Life, how are you? Again, if I haven't responded, I do apologize. I'm super chatty today, which is a good and a bad thing because it means that I don't shut up and then I don't get an opportunity to read what you guys have said. Just making a little note there. Tap that 4 times now. That's ridiculous. Okay, anyways. I want $1 million. Can we get it, please? You know what, highlight? I love the enthusiasm. I would also like that. So maybe that's our goal, right? Long-term goal. Long-term goal. Yep. Joking. I hope I watch more anime. I mean, what do you mean by more? I've watched quite a bit. Quite a bit. Well, I could probably have watched more, but I have watched quite a few. Okay. Thanks, David. Join to the poly you could help with. Ooh, nice. Okay, Bob, got it. Internet, yay! I stream both London and New York session. Internet. I'm the same as always. That may be a clue to my perfection. Okay, Lipsy. I'm starting to get robot vibes, right? Oh, thanks, friend. Well, yeah. Speaking of, man. When am I gonna do that? Maybe I'll do it at the horses. I need to make this short because it's basically, we're nearly at 5K, guys, and I made a deal with regards to the 5K challenge. So it's nearly time to get my 5K challenge tattoo. Nearly. We're not there yet. We haven't reached 5K yet. Long term, let's say in 2026. Oh, highlight. That's so far away. Really? Ugh. So Rip took some profit, got stop break even after. I hope you've seen what I said this morning. Rip, oh flip, Rip, I actually didn't. I saw you were typing. Wait. I saw you were typing. I didn't manage to read what you said. There we go. It moved 14 to medium. On the median. Would expect a strange behavior of price today. Usually Tuesdays like to revisit the weekly open. Asia high. Yep, I did mark the Asia high. Time is right and when price aligns with it. Cheers. Aha. Ta-da! Okay. Thank you, Rip. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Like I said, I was on and I saw you were typing. And then I got distracted. Hey, Grady. I'm Loom. Should I ask your question again? Yes, please. If I've missed any questions that you guys want answered because I was rambling on a little bit, I apologize. Ask away. Oh, Rensler, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, listen, it's like I said, guys, mentally, especially last month, I was busy with a lot of things last month, so I feel like I didn't bring my A game to the streams and to trading last month, which kind of sucks. Like, I was watching some of the videos earlier today and I was like, oh my gosh. Blech. So thank you for those that continued the support and joined during that time. It's gonna get so much more fun now that my energy is back and hopefully better than ever. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So I trade in London session. Oh. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. Tattoo of a banana. Listen, Solly would love that. Solly would love that. Rensler, I'm shocked. I am shocked that it's November. Guys, it's November. How is it November already? Anyways. Hey, Michelle. Dr. 189 IZ, did I see your message? No, I didn't. Sorry, please pop that back in. Lucius Zakun, hi. Which markets do I trade? Well, I'm trading the London and the New York sessions, but I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I've been slowly looking into gold. I have been slowly looking into gold. It looks really good. I'm just a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Yep. Michelle's always back. Ellipses. Love it. Fun legacy. Market go down, drop it. Diamante, are you in a trade, by the way? Maya 5k. Yeah, what? No, I'm not at 5k yet. No, not yet. No, Solly will have tattoo. No, Solly's not here yet. Thank you, boo. Dr. 189, Isaiah, how long have I been trading? I've only been trading since April. I say only, but yeah. I've been trading since April. So I'm under, oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm under no impression that I'm amazing. I'm not profitable yet. For those of you hoping to get rich watching me, not yet, maybe one day. I need to now buckle down and put some more hours into research and backtesting. I do like 4 hours a day trading, the 2 hours during London and like 2.5-ish during the New York session. So I now need to properly sit. I've done my backtesting, but I need to do more in-depth backtesting and more in-depth journaling. Like, think about the emotions, think about the exact things I'm looking for. Good morning. Why didn't anyone tell me teaching someone how to trade is so hard? Teaching your 14-year-old cousin. Really, only true trader. That's amazing. How's it going? Apart from difficult, lemon difficult. Gold will rip your face off if you ain't careful. Exactly, Bob. That's why I'm scared. I think it could be amazing, and it seems to work quite well with the strategy, but terrified. Absolutely terrified. Hey, Benjamin, how you doing? Ellipses, I don't know which stream to join, this or the other. I mean, Ellipses, which one are you on right now? And do you like chaos or not? I think that will answer your question. Debutant trade New York more. I mean, I trade New York every day. I actually started with New York. I didn't trade London to begin with. And now I trade both. And to be fair, it sounds bad, but I've been preferring London over New York recently. I don't know why. Good M7. Oh my gosh, are we finally about to freaking hit? We are too. Cool. Sorry, I know that's chaotic over there. Down, down, down we go. Damn. But for how long? Okay. Back to the 1 minute we go. Oh, look at that chaos. Moving on. Yeah, man. Except the accumulation and distribution now is a little bit scary. I've missed a bunch again, sorry. Benjamin, can I explain backtesting? I can do that. So learn as you go. Yeah. More liquidity in New York. Listen, but it's more volatile as well, which is a good and bad thing. There's a liquidity void daily NQ. Want to visit that. Only extend more. NQ. Long story short, traders. to do it now. You're from Brisbane, hi. Oh, thanks, Diego. Very sweet of you. I kind of got how it is to be a beginner out here asking me what a their value gap is and he can't see them. Yeah, only true trader, going back to the basics is quite cool sometimes though, right? Did I maybe just miss my trade? I feel like I might have just missed my trade, but let's just wait. I may have missed my trade. Oh, well, it's fine. I love tech. What kind of coffee am I drinking? I'm drinking black coffee. Like my soul. Anyways. Bob, this is working like a charm. What is... I'm sorry, I can see that I've missed so many messages, so many trades, so many messages. I apologize. Apologies in advance. Like I said, if I miss something super important, please just send it again when I focus back on the chat. But for right now, I am focusing on the chart a little bit, which is different for me, but it's good. Gotta focus on the chart. Seth, how does my strategy work? Well, there's a few things that obviously go into it, but sweet and simple, it's market auction theory. So draw the range, 50% is entry. Like I said, I need to tweak this. So this is where the back testing comes into play. Benjamin, back testing, you go back on the charts to a random day at a random time. If you can, try not to see what the chart looks like, and then you do play by play and you test your strategy. And you make notes about what worked, what didn't work. So you test your strategy just back in time. Oh, sorry. And then, so yeah, so entry, my brain's all over the place today. Good luck to you guys. I'm so sorry in advance. Sure. But yes, entry normally at the 50%, there has to be at least 3 confluences to make it an A+ setup. I actually did like this setup, but I'm not loving how it's tapped this level 3 times already. So maybe I'm wrong, maybe this is going to be a beautiful win now, which would suck a little bit, but let's see. Trade New York more because it's predictable. The market makers use New Asia and London thinking. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And what's your, if you don't mind me asking, what's your success rate? Debatong? Sorry, I feel like I'm butchering your name. I apologize if I am. Akano D? What? Testing the waters with a small long, nothing too crazy. Ooh, nice rip, okay. It will retest soon if it's a good move. Let's see. Did NQ tag the NWOG? Last week's NWOG? No, not yet. It's down here. This is what this is here. Hey, Demanta, I even have you here. Remember, I think this was your level the one day. Have you tried trading with a line chart? Really? Why? Out of curiosity, sorry. Boom banana? Why poor Maya? What's happening? Highlight? Yeah, market auction theory. Lukey Gamer. There we go. Got it. Nailed it. Bill or bear today? I mean, so far everything is bearish, but rip. I know you think it might want to start popping back up now. So I'm just waiting for confirmation before I start to make assumptions. But right now, trend is friend and trend is going down, so bearish. To day trade, may I ask where you're trading from and what's the best software? Azai, well, I'm on Project X right now. Is it the best one? There's some debates about that. I know some people don't love it, some people love it, but I'm using Project X currently. But I started with TradingView. And TradingView was quite good, but I use prop firms. Ah, you piece of nano rubbish. Okay, let's see what happens. Was this maybe a perfect... This kind of looks like it was a good one. I could still enter... No, that's being cheeky. Is it being cheeky? I feel like it's potentially being cheeky. The stream names one as well. Oh, nice! 70% win rate is good. Huh. Hey, Celestial, how are you doing? Maybe it's been so long, yeah. Yeah, I am a scalper. 100%. Hey, Jan. Yeah, I was looking for a short, but maybe I was wrong. Let's see. Can I help you? Come, do you want to say hi? Nope. Going to go lie down in bed. Never mind. Just ignore me. I'm waiting for... Yeah. Just waiting for confirmation now, I guess. Let's see what happens. We'll see around 2 p.m. for confirmation. Oh, thanks, Boom. Boom, you're being so nice today. Thank you. I don't know what to do when you're so nice to me. But yeah, guys, if you guys wouldn't mind pressing that like button, let's grow this amazing community bigger and better than ever. Yes, yes. Just kidding, you guys are already the bestest. I love it. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, and if you want to show support, if you're with any of the below prop firms and you want to use my code, you know, spread the love, that would be amazing. Thank you. Code is TeachMaya. Sweet and simple. Doggy's mad because I didn't take the setup. Yeah, Michael. I mean, now it's just consolidating in that flipping area. But it does look like it wants to push heavy, doesn't it? Does it? Wait. Isn't this level important? Like I said, I theoretically could still get in on this, but I know my luck. If I do, it's probably going to be a loss. If I don't, it's probably gonna be a win. just with how the trades have been going recently, my goodness. Oh, it's tapped into this order block. Ooh, it's tapped into this order block. I see. I see. Okay. Oh, gosh. Haha. What did I say? Because I was seriously considering being cheeky. I was really considering being cheeky. Maybe admit Boom is always right. You know what? Because you're being so nice today, guys. Trust in Boom. In Boom we trust. Anyways. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader, how you doing? Fozzie, is Boom my PA? No, he's just the mod. Celestial, yes, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures to be specific. Do I only trade NQ? I've been considering gold. But like I said, I'm a little bit nervous. I love tech, but oh, interesting. That's interesting. But I love tech, are you on NQ or you on MNQ? Which one are you on? Yep, that might be a continuation pullback. Well, thank heavens I didn't. Well, let's see. I was considering with how it's been kind of wicking. Oh no. It's taking external, internal. External. I think it's gonna go up. Again. I could be wrong, but with how it's been doing this so far, it might pop back up and take this internal again. Just a mod. Oh, okay. Alejandro? Hi, how you doing? Hi, life. Such disrespect. I'm so sorry. VMA, is that South African accent? Hell yeah. Fast short, you think so? MNQ descent. Oh, what? Interesting. Alejandro, do I trade crypto? No, sorry. Oh. Guys, we're secretly married. We talked about it like 20 streams ago. Yeah, guys, careful. Boom will come and mess you up. You love seeing the progression. Celestial, do you see progression? I appreciate that. Sometimes it feels like I'm going backwards, so if you see some progress, that's great. Oh, really, Justin? No, I'm really? That sucks. Lee Shepherd was the highest amount of money I've made trading in a day. Well, I mean, I can tell. No. Oh, that would have sucked. Oh well. Highest amount of money I've made trading in a day. $1,600, I think. I could be lying, but something like that. Well, Dr. 189, I said, so I use prop firms. Yeah. So I do use prop firms. Helps me out quite a bit. Forgot us the Maya. You think? Why? Why did it do that? What's happening? That was so random. Sorry, apparently this just lost connection. Come on. Sorry, I don't know why my little chat thing decided it's had enough. Come on. I'm gonna reload it. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna lose all the chats. I'm so sorry. Pause all your questions for a second. Pause. I have to start again. I'm so sorry. And working. For once, it's not my Wi-Fi. I can see my Wi-Fi is good, so I don't know why it's being moody. This is slowly... Huh. Well. Interesting. Just interesting. Wow, this still just looks like it would have been messing with me. So wait. Is this just going to be a redo of Tuesday where it's kind of not going to be working? Again, guys, I'm so sorry. I can't see anything you guys are saying right now. Just not ideal, is it? Silly Billy, silly thing. Hey, Jose. Jose, looks like... Sorry, I can only see... vertical stream chat right now. I apologize. While this thing sorts its brain cells out, which appears to be taking longer than it should. Why? I don't know. Let's try one last time. But Vert, I can see you guys. Saw a quick rich video. Anything that says get rich quickly is most likely a scam video, but there is some method to it. It's very condensed. That's why I said if you have something important, do it now. Ooh, rip, interesting. So I'm assuming you saw, well, I will reread the message you sent. Why is it not working? It was working perfectly fine. 2 minutes, that's fine, whatever. Oh, okay, Renzler. Great, so that helps. Your chat is tripping. Celestial, you get used to it. you get used to it. Okay, continue now. This is gonna make me want to bang my head against the freaking table. If not, maybe it's just one of those days where I don't talk to you guys, which sounds really bad because I like talking to you guys so much. Maybe you'll force me to focus. How boring. Why are we like this? Nope. Cool. May have to restart horizontal. Why? What's horizontal doing, David? Boom, it looks like it. You're on a mission today. Frick. Hey, Thomas. How you doing? Howdy, howdy. Okay, so this would have been a loss, just FYI for anyone wondering. But this is kind of now rip, like you said, it's condensing, which sucks. This is literally what it did last week, Tuesday. You're scared to start trading. Where should you begin? Do you know anything about the stock markets or anything like that? Or why does this look like a 4-hour strategy was the way to go? Let's wait and see what happens. Stuck in the consolidation. Oh, interesting. Less sure. Well, wait, 1 p.m. what time? Whose time, Celestial? Smoke paper trade. Paper trade works for getting your setup. Or your strategy, sorry. Well, I mean both. Your setup and your strategy. And figuring out the price actions and what works best for your strategy. Paper trading, just in my opinion, does not work with regards to the emotions at all, because there's no fear involved at all. So you do silly things and then it works out and then you kind of go, whatever. But paper trading, to find the strategy that works for you and makes sense to you, for your, who you are as a person. And then again, guys, this is just my opinion. This is just my opinion. I would then say prop firms, or if you have money you don't mind losing, whatever. But for me, prop firms help just not blow through capital. Go prop firm, trade live, obviously with very little contracts, use the micros. I use the micros for that reason, so I don't just blow through all my capital. And yeah, 1 p.m. South African time. Oh, thank you, Celestia. I was confirming. I was just confirming. Thank you. Is this working again? Nope, not working. Why are we not working? Everyone on horizontal, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry that I cannot read your messages. Looks like a breakout. Exactly, Celestial, but you still have the emotions and the fear of a live account, because you are still trading like live in the markets. But again, like I said, do not come at me if you disagree. This is just my opinion, because then you can sort out the psychological side of trading. So paper trading to sort out your strategy and how the markets move. Then prop firms for psychology. And then by then you should have it sorted, and then you can do your funded accounts. Dev, why? What is horizontal stream doing? So it's not that horizontal. What is horizontal doing? Maybe that is the question. And also thanks for all the subs, by the way. So David, if I restart horizontal, I don't think it's gonna do anything. The problem is I don't have the horizontal chat. That's the only problem. I can see vertical chat. I cannot see. Wait, I can see. Oh, wait. Loophole. I know what to do. Nobody panic. I know what to do. I've got this. I've got this. You go away, because clearly you're not working. Loophole coming in. Are we ready? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Are we gonna get to 5k streamers on this, or 5k subs on this? Is this it? Are we about to reach the 5k limit? Not limit, the 5k challenge. Is this it? We're on 973. I didn't think it would happen this fast. I'm not prepared. Shoot, which is which? No, you biscuit. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Wait. Let me go back to my loophole. Okay, the consolidation is kind of scary, Maya. Followed a huge leg down, the pullback might break out into the bull's favor. Just worried about the inefficiencies of the previous leg. For instance, I really thought, I mean, there's equal lows here, there's liquidity here, there's Asia low here. And there's this NWOG from last week. That's why this would have been a losing trade. However, it had all of the confluences with it, so it wouldn't have been a bad trade. You know, still a loss, but it should have also been expected with how it's been, like I said, taking out external, then taking out internal. So it's kind of doing some seek and destroy type of patterns. Wait, let me go back to my loophole. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, which one is it? Is it this one? Ah, it's this one! Loophole! I did it! Diamante, I can see you, I see you. I got you guys. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. This is gonna be difficult. Maya made 127k one time live on stream. Yeah. Okay, now to make this so that I can read this. Let's do this. Okay, 1 and this 2. Guys, do you see how much I love you guys? I'm doing weird and wonderful things to just make this work. There we go. Okay. 1 and 2. One thing at a time, right? Can I make this bigger? Nope, can't make it bigger. No, that doesn't help. Okay, well, I can get an idea of what's happening. What's happening, guys? But I'm here. That was a place to add to the position. Rip. Sorry, Devante. I've got it now. I made a plan. I'm watching my own live. I'm watching my own live to just be able to see the chat because my multi-chat has decided it doesn't like me today, which is true. But anyways, that was a place to add to the position. Yes, to win. Am I streaming my Celestial? You know what, Boom Banana? Sure. 100 likes, guys, and I will full port. Before, you know, things come off and then it resets. Before the reset, I'll full port. If this gets 100 likes, let's go for it. Art P, did I take the short? No, sorry. I was thinking about it. Potentially if it was the 4R, but I haven't done my back testing for the 4RR strategy. So, yeah. Why is my name Indian? I mean, is it? I've heard it is, but I feel like this sounds bad, but isn't it just a name? You know, I guess my parents liked it. Okay, RIP. Do you think it's gonna keep going back up now? Oh, Celestial, I'm so sorry. You've asked me like 3 times until what time I'm gonna be flipping trading. let me calm my brain down. I'll stream until 12 today, so I'm gonna miss that 1 p.m. unfortunately. I'll stream until 12, then I'll go to the horses because they're getting, the poor babies, their 2nd injection today, so they're not gonna be super happy with life, but you know, they must still at least walk, and I have to make sure their food's ready for them. And then I'll be back for New York. Let's see. Volume profiling and trading. It's more efficient in determining premium and discount, and it works great with Nasdaq. Okay, Mohammed, I'll have a look into that. Like I said, guys, I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna hop on. Even if I hop on Discord earlier. I mean, I was on Discord earlier, but I was messing around. I was just making a quick short video. But maybe I must hop on Discord tomorrow and I'm just gonna do some proper backtesting. I'm going to take into consideration, like I said, I have a notepad full of things. So tomorrow when I hop on the live, if I look mind boggled, it's because I probably am. I'm just saying. Hi live, what up? Come again, it means yeast? Maya means yeast in Turkish? What? You lie, that is so cool. Well, cool, sure, we'll go with cool, what platform? Well, I'm using Project X with my Top 1 Futures, Top 1 Futures program. Oh, thanks, Celestial. Renee, hi. Trevor, hi. Am I England? No, I'm South Africa. South African through and through. Hey, Mr. Brad boy? What do I do live? Well, I do trading live, but boom, this kind of looks like the 4-hour strategy, doesn't it, right now? Boom, you know what? I'm gonna pin this. Wait. Oh, can I pin it? I can. Pin. Here we go. Do I do option trading? No, sorry. I'm doing the Nasdaq futures. Oh, so this would have been a loss, and it looks like it's headed towards a win, which means the 4R strategy would have been a goodie. Again, I need to do some back testing on this, but I have been forward testing with conditions like this, where it's ripped, like you said, a bit more condensed, if you will. Okay, where it's a bit more condensed. Sorry, I don't know if that was a bird or a monkey, but something sounded like it was screaming. And I'm having a look at potential 4R strategy, so it would look like this for the more condensed type of markets. I don't know if this would work, but let's see. Maya means matter, like what the world's made of. Oh, that's so beautiful. That is so nice. I love it. At Supra, yeah? Or is it at Supra? Okay, there we go. Which trading app? This is Project X. Hello in Russia. Hello. Boom, you're in a cell. Nice, according to your strategy. will go check out gold. Let's have a look. Means a supernatural power wielded by gods and demons. Are you serious, David? How long have I been trading? I've only been trading since April. I say only. It's been a few months. I need to be better, but I've been trading since April. Boom, where's your TP at? Skeletor, welcome back. That was disgustingly terrible, but I love it. What country am I in? Raj, I'm in South Africa. Oh, thanks, Clover. Hi, by the way. Yeah, I'm good. They've been okay. They screwed me a little bit yesterday. I went in on a short, but it was a bit of a higher pullback, and it took me out before then dropping down, which was very rude, but it's fine. If I'd taken this trade, so my normal setup, it would have been a loss. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of this funsies. Sorry. I'm actually now just waiting for confirmation of which direction this market wants to go. Because I don't think it knows where it wants to go right now. What? Okay, wait. Cost Labs apparently has reconnected itself, which means you guys can see things again. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. If it has indeed, then I don't have to have two things open. Hey Michelle, how are you doing? Do I ever struggle with your mental health as a trader since you are home alone so much of the time? Ooh. Damn, coming here with the deep questions. Yeah, listen, it is really tough, but do you know what? In all honesty, puppy dollface, there we go, got it, puppy dollface. This amazing community, High Life, it's coming back now, I think. Sorry, that was my multi-chat missed. Had a moment. It had a moment, so let's see. It should be reconnecting now, which means you guys can spam me with questions and then the chat will pop back up. The mental health. Wow, I need to focus my brain for a second. Okay, focus. Mental health part. I have this amazing community that even when I do mess up, you guys are there to say, you know what, things happen. You guys are always there to really help out, which is just amazing. So I think if it wasn't for this community, it would be a little bit of a different story. I think I would probably be struggling a little bit more, but yeah, again, this community has just been so amazing and so supportive. Obviously I need to be better, and sometimes that does mess with me mentally, and last month in general there was a lot going on, so I haven't been great mentally, but this morning I feel like I kind of snapped myself back into place. There we go. Something like that. I went for a run, I went for a walk, I went and sorted myself out mentally, and here we are. Yeah, unfortunately not a great day, but it does mean I haven't made silly mistakes, whereas I would have jumped in on this trade, which would have resulted in a loss if I was where I was mentally literally yesterday. Sorry, that was a very random runabout way of saying that, but anyways. Okay, High Life, there we go. The comments should slowly start popping back up, just by the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Chat's back up. I can see what you guys are saying again. Sorry about that. Spam a few more messages and you'll see it should. There we go. There we go. It's gonna pop back up on the screen. We might stay in the range. We had a good run this year. You think so? High Life, is it back yet? How about now? I made it worse by joining the Discord call. Nah, David, you good. You would never make it worse. It was very entertaining. There we go, High Life, you're back. You're back. No, I'm getting stopped in profit. Oh no, boom. Oh, damn. Okay, anyways. Sucks to be you, man. Oh, I'm sorry, High Life. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Hey, Ethan. What's up? How you doing? Mohit. Hello from South Africa. And streaming. Oh, interesting, RP. Cool. David Pottyman. No. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm an angel. Okay, so even this would have probably been a break even. Boom, wait. Boom, did you take this short because it respected this order block here? Am I slowly figuring it out? Asking for a friend. Which does mean that it looks potentially like this would have worked. No, still just ranging. Okay, see, I needed to break out of this so that I can get something. Okay, let's see. Wow, my boom banana, what did I do? Anyways, mine's gold. I'm good, and you? How are you doing? BTC is heading down to double bottom, so I'm expecting it to decide if it's breaking through or breaking out in the next few days, and the rest of the market should follow suit. Ooh, okay, Clover. Out of curiosity, how many days do you think? I know you can never I know you can never predict it perfectly, but just out of curiosity. Angel of Death. Wow, you guys are mean. No, I'm trying to be nice. I'm having fun, right? Boom, we're having fun. Hey, here we go. No, here we don't go. Okay, this would have been break even. So I mean, I would have had one loss and a break even so far, with it being rangy like this. I've been trading for 3 months. I thought I would be struggling with my strategy, but to my surprise, I'm struggling with my mental health and fear of failing. And ooh, listen, puppy doll face. Yeah, listen, the strategy theoretically is the simple part. I think, number one, do you journal? Because when you journal, you have to say, did I take the trade and how was my mental state when I took it? 2, I need to follow my own advice. But 2, have a set of rules, right? Have your set of rules. If your strategy and your rules all meet up, then you take it, and then you kind of have to. This is what I did, at least. Again, please don't attack me, guys, about this, but I just changed my mindset, you know, to seeing the losses as payment for tuition. I know that sounds weird, but hear me out. Varsity, you go to varsity, you learn for 4 years, and you pay tuition for those 4 years. In those 4 years, you are studying and learning and you're paying for it. I kind of just changed my mindset to that. That if it's a loss, like, obviously feel it, because you don't want to lose, right? You don't want to be fine with it. You know, you want to learn from your losses, but just change it as it's tuition, so it's not so much a fear trigger, if that makes sense. Again, guys, please don't attack me for saying this. This is just in my opinion, and it's what helped me, or is helping me. Let me not pretend like I've got this nailed down, because I definitely don't. Yeah, why am I trying to figure out your strategy? Boom banana, because you got an 85% win rate, so yeah. Why wouldn't I? You know, if you have a winning thing going on. Gotta learn that secret sauce, right? Anyways. Can I explain liquidity? I can. Guys, what causes the market condition shift seasonally? Interesting. Oh, rip, you got stopped at break even. That's okay though. Jose, boom banana go. Oh, thank you. Lewis, I mean, I didn't block anyone, but clearly one of the mods did not appreciate something. I don't know. Lose 3 trades, I'm done for the day regardless, because that's like a short indicator on your brain chart. Ooh, interesting. Helps mitigate the effect of losing in your psychology. FOMO is dangerous. Clover, do you know what's funny? I have the same rule. 3 losses, I'm done for the day. Done for the day. And it tends to be 3 wins and done for the day. But I have been trading less. I used to take way too many trades a day. But I have been trading less, so I haven't even really been hitting those, which is not a bad thing, right? Huh, so this probably would have been break even and then melt back down, but it looks decent for the 4R one. Okay, do we think we've officially broken out? Is it over its shenanigans now, or is it just going to keep ranging? At this point, I must just call Tuesdays the range day and just not bother trading at this, honestly. Boom, banana. Boom. I was in a voice call this morning. Why didn't you hop on and come and share some secrets with me? Rude. Oh, cheers, Rip. Enjoy. Yeah, this is doing some weird and wonderful stuff. But I still got an hour. Let's see. Maybe something good pops up. Maybe it starts to break out. Maybe we got this. Because I'm at a loss. I mean, someone thinks in the economy affected by supply. You get like food, but tech and minerals should theoretically trade the same through the year. Renz, I don't want to even begin to try and speculate this because obviously I haven't been doing this long enough. Banana, I was studying. You were studying film. What? Hey, Nox, how you doing? Up 2K so far. Nice. Hey, Bingo, how you doing? How's it going? Damn, the mods are strict today, guys. Careful, mods are on a mission. Be cautious. This is the secret of trading. Focus until the focus is on you. Our brain is weird to keep us safe, and in trading that can get in the way. Ooh. Gosh, I like that. I like that quite a lot. That feels very valid. And now we're going back up. On the plus side, I didn't take the internal, so it should theoretically take the... Oh wait, it did take the external. No, it created equal lows. I'm nervous because it's rangy. It broke out of it there, didn't take liquidity there. Okay, this might not be terrible. This might not be terrible. I'm nervous. Oh, got it. Y'all, not yet. I'm nervous. I'm nervous about this, though. This rangy market. Wait, let me check the higher time frames. Still just in this range on the 1 hour. It is bearish though. Okay. Okay, they would have been a tag in. Trailed out MNQ and profit. Nice. Pushed down. Trailed on the 15. Ooh, nice. Boom. Where did you go to film school? Awesome. Hey, Okade. How you doing? Where have you been? How you been doing? Yay, invest. No, nothing today. Thank heavens. I would have been stopped out. Or R question mark? Potentially. Oh, cheers, Clover. Enjoy. Thank you for joining. Boomin and I revenge traded 34 cents up to 500 earlier this year after. Clover, that's impressive. Wow. Hey, Juicy Jumbo. Good morning from Tennessee. Hello from South Africa. How you doing? Hey, Mitchell? No, I'm from South Africa, guys. Can we get out of this range, please? Come on. Choppy market and a heat wave. Gosh, I'm uneasy. Damn, Prish, that's not great. Hey, Bradley. I'm sorry, did you say hi earlier? I apologize. I didn't see your message. I'm so sorry. North Carolina, America. That is so cool. Naturally, this looks like it would have been perfect. In all honesty, guys, I'm waiting for it to stop being so rangy and actually break out a little bit. Kind of like what it's doing now. Where I should have been in this trade, I didn't take it because the higher time frames didn't look ideal. Which is not a bad thing. I just have to remind myself it's not a bad thing. Hey Mark, how's it going? Gotta know how to trade range. That's the problem. I do not know how to trade range. That is the problem. I need to maybe work on a strategy for rangy days. That's what I am kind of for testing this strategy for rangy days. It's the 4R one. It appears to be not terrible. Hey Brian, how's it going? Proscar, what am I trading? Trading Nasdaq futures. Serenity, you have an assessment due tomorrow, but too lazy to do it now. I mean, the TP was at the wrong place. It should have been at 740. Why 740? Just because that's where there's a bunch of liquidity. Take profits is the game in choppy markets, Raj, yeah. Michael on the clock, broker, I'm worth top 1 futures. The strategy for range days is to close the charts. Boom. Damn, this looks like it was actually a goodie. So, point is, I saw it, I thought about it, but I needed a little bit more confirmation and it didn't look good on the higher time frame, so I can't be too bummed for not taking it. See, my dumb ass wants to like hop in now and just hope that it goes all the way down, but that's very risky and very dumb. Let's not do that. Hey Austin, hello from LA. Damn, that's 1:16 a.m. So, do you guys just not like sleep? That's kind of what I've gotten from this. Hey Joe Short. You used to play this game, you got good at it. Nice, really? What level did you play this game on? 4 AM East Coast pre-market is trash. Yeah. Boom, what are you gonna go eat? Always keep an eye on the expected order blocks on smaller time frame. There's one around here. Yeah. Yeah, never mind, I guess. But that's just the thing, right? I need to go and I need to maybe have a look at potential rangy strategies. Just don't want it to mess with my brain, if that makes sense. I've done that plenty of times where I've strategy hopped and it was a disaster. Like, disaster. Nox, what did you do wrong yesterday? Eight hours of sleep since the 30th of October. You're good. Sure, David. Sure. Sure. Watch it be empty. Yeah. Nox, you traded on a Monday. I mean, to be fair, Nox, yesterday wasn't terrible. I just wasn't seeing anything. Today I'm seeing things, but it's rangy, so it's not worth it. David, stream it. You came back, Mark? Nice. It feels like October still. Yeah. Cute boy, when did I start trading? I started trading in April. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Water. Is that water? No, this is coffee. On Tuesday, Thursday, maybe another video contract. No! Gore human pudding. Weird name. Conflicting feelings about it, but well done for making that 2k from 300. Well done, that's awesome. Sorry about the other one though. Sorry about that. You never place your TP below the lowest mark. Match will keep it slightly higher. I'll see your success rate will drastically increase when price is in range. Okay, Mohammed, so this is like strictly for rangy days, right? Is this what you're saying? I don't know why I'm doing this, but we're going with it. Teacher says teach Maya trading, hard Maya teacher trading. Thanks, David. You guys are on point today, just by the way. Okay. What? Okay, moving on. How much time it takes to be a complete trader? Well, I mean, hold me back 2061. I wouldn't even say I'm a complete trader. I'm still baby trader, still figuring a lot of things out. Dag nab it. Yeah, this looks like it's potentially a good winning trade. But again, it's rangy. It's rangy. Must get over myself. Ooh, nice. Days like these is risky on trade. Yeah. That's so. Roj. Yes. Raj. Sorry, I keep calling you Raj. Sorry, I feel like I'm butchering your name. I apologize. It's why I'm not taking any trades. Perry. Wait a second. Okay, anyways. It's why I'm not taking any trades because it is a little bit choppy or rangy, which is not ideal. Okay, wait, let me just go see what he's barking at. That's not a there's monkeys bark. There's a human being bark. Give me a second. Aw, there would have been TP beautifully. Okay, I don't know what he was barking at, but there was no people there, so that's fine. You learned a lot in 3 weeks though. Day trading can make good money but can lose it faster if you're not on top of it. Joe Shorts, yep, that's true. In the market for 7 years. 7 years, damn, okay. I learned little in 15 years of playing this game. Jose, no, I'm not a fan of the range. Although this looks like it would have hit TP with a hectic wick. Wow. That's a very big wick. There's so much support in this area. I needed to break this support zone. Yep, are you gonna break it now? Is this it? Okay. Took it there. Means it could pop further up now. So let's just be cautious of that. And a big wick going on there. You're eating fruit snacks. The hell did I nearly say? Anyways. No, what? What? No! David, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I gotta go see this with my own eyes. Guys, apparently... Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Wait. Give me a little bit longer than a minute. I want to see something here. Ah, wouldn't have got me in. Give me one itty bitty second. One itty bitty second. Because I feel like this is a lie and David's. Oh my gosh! I can't Photoshop. Guys, that's 5K. We reached 5,000 subscribers. Jose, it's not, well, I guess it's a whoop whoop. For a different reason though, not a trading whoop whoop, unfortunately, but a different whoop whoop. Oh, I guess we know what this means now. I gotta go and organize a tattoo. Thanks for the subs, guys. Wow. Any long last people recommend? Nope. I was not expecting that to happen that quickly. But anyways, let's see. Mark, you're looking for longs? Are we at 100 likes? I don't think so. What are the likes looking like, guys? Okay, so it took out this external liquidity. So are we going to start searching for the internal? This would have been a whoop whoop, just by the way. Okay, so it's now mitigated this support level. Thank heavens. Finally. I must be cautious though. Thanks, David. thank you, Rachel. That's so nice. Use stop as your shield, not a whoosh. Always set a fixed stop loss before entry. Yep. Risk only 1% of capital per trade. If you skip this, market will humble you and you'll wonder why. Don't worry, Mark. I always have a stop. Always. Profit, I'm flat. Ooh. Nice art. Full port, flip a coin. I don't have 100 likes. Sorry. Confirmation is sacred. No reversal structure, no short wait for clear break of structure. Confirming candle. Lining opposite side volume. No impulse equals no trade simple. Yeah, don't like it. You need help. Joe Short? Yeah, I'm glad you think so. I definitely do. I make huge mistakes all the time. Oh, thank you, Mark One. Thank you, guys. Whoop whoop on YouTube. Have you not? Because I had a whoop whoop on Friday. I had a whoop whoop on, when was it? It was last Monday. I had a womp womp yesterday, unfortunately, but. Oh, thank you, Joe Short. Oh, sorry, Outbeat. That's okay. My stop's closed every time. What do you mean by closed? I'm gonna be pissed if they don't stick. Ah, David, you know what? They might not. And that, you know, it is what it is. But that would have been the goodie. That's fine though. I did see it and I had valid reason for not taking it, so it's fine that I didn't take that trade. Sorry, can you just tell I'm justifying it in my brain quickly? Just take your time, make your shot. Thanks, Joe. Yeah, I've been... The problem is sometimes I then... So this is where the mental part comes in. I tend to or what's it called? Analysis paralysis. I tend to overanalyze and I start to overthink everything. Which is then a problem. It's delicate, have to be short, have to be fast, yes. Activate, close my bank, gives me every time. Problem. I'm up all New York session and trade overnight too. Set up with 2x. Oh, well, I mean, RP, you say that. You don't get a lot from affiliates. Especially if people don't use your code. I'm joking, I'm messing with you guys. Just don't know how to set everything up. Well, I mean, you need like OBS and a decent camera, I guess yeah, and a microphone. It doesn't have to be amazing, but a microphone, and then you're good to go, basically. Yeah, Joe Short, that's my problem. Did you finish that short? Yes, I did, David. I did. It is up. Well, it will upload at 12. It's scheduled. There we go. English found it. Affiliates then trading, which is pathetic. Yeah. Well, I mean, to be fair, theoretically, I guess I'm getting more from them now because I'm not profitable yet. So, but one day, I will be. One day, like I said, I think tomorrow morning, because I won't unfortunately have time this afternoon, but tomorrow morning I am going to sit down early and I'm going to go through a lot. Like I said, I might completely boggle my brain, which I don't know if it's a great thing to do, but in the same breath, you know, the more aware you are, the more accurate decisions and accurately you can start to predict things. I traded with Robinhood, Webull, and a couple of others. Damn, Joe Short, okay. What chart is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. Whoop, there it is. Okay. inverse fair value gap going up there. If this goes down now, I'm gonna actually be a grumpy mumpy. So I was thinking about this, but it took out external liquidity on both NQ and ES, so I expect a bigger pop up. No, that's not trading terminology. Retest. There we go. What the heck? Okay then. What's been my most successful trade? Well, using this strategy has been my most successful, if that's what you're asking. I mean, there is one, I even made a short on it, where I added to my trade. That was quite cool. Okay, Mark. Am I familiar with volume profile? I'm not the best at it, so that's one of the things I need to go and look and do a little bit more research on. It's not my native language. Oh. I love tech. Why? Does it look very different to yours right now? You made 340k profit. Oh, nice. And then to my actual job. Joe Short, yeah, within 5 minutes market open, I made 700. Sleep. And then to my actual. See, that's very cool. Hot dog, what? Hey, Sean, what's up? Sean Dotty. Much bigger bars and wicks. Huh. I love tech, that's interesting. Mark, what do you use then? I had it. I was thinking this. Let's see if this would have been a win. Again, it is still stuck in the support level. Analysis paralysis. No, just get over it. It is rangy though. Like, there's no denying that. Let's have a look on the higher time frames, quick sticks. I'm gonna just cover all this so it doesn't look so messy, but I mean 15 minute. I mean, it's going down, just condensed. That's what Rip said, and I liked it. It's condensed going down, or coiling maybe. Maybe not coiling, but What the support it's stuck on? Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Okay. I mean, solid for shorts. Cannot deny that. But it's just stuck. Ah, of course, just because I said that. Range intraday trading. Probably start with marking a 4 hour, 3 hour, 1 hour support resistance for range trading, then get into volume profile. Ah, okay. RP, is this gold? Order of Lich? No, this is Nasdaq futures. Wise person can understand more through the experiences than a person that started out. We all have to pay it first. Yeah. You trade values, okay. And do you want to elaborate a little bit on that one, please? The institutions used to. Ah, Skeletor, you know what? We love you here. I hope you know that. I really hope you know that. So much love for you. Okay. Do you guys want to hear what I'm thinking? Do you want to hear what I'm thinking? This might be the complete wrong way to be thinking though, so please yell at me if I'm being dumb. But just looking at this rangy stuff going on here, I would have had one loss, break even, yeah, break even, and win with a 1 to 2 hour strategy. If I even take the dumb trades, they potentially end up being, well, I will potentially end up being profitable. Does that make sense? Like if I just took any of them, like I said, the one would have been a loss. The other one, which one was it? There was another one that would have been break even. This one then would have been a win, and this one would have been a win as well. Does that make sense? Am I talking rubbish? Is that a dumb way to be thinking? I think maybe that's the better question. Mistake trading, human probability, interesting. And orders at 700, below per book. So for this breakdown to hold, then you can enter short. Ooh, okay. I might be too late. Sugar, honey, iced tea. It did just take out equal lows, by the way. Should I be concerned about that? Do I want to understand what you're thinking? Probably not. It'll hurt my... David, be nice. But valid, but still. Let's say, because it took out... Let's make it here. I said hi. Yes, it makes sense. Thanks for subscribing. Grab it. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do it. Because then it's just not me being a silly goose. Right? Whoop. What did I say about the equal lows? But it's fine. Five is fine. Grab low, aim high. Go short. Wait. What stock is that? And then banana grab. Lows didn't hold the breakdown. Don't trade breakouts or breakdowns anyways, but I look to go short there off the 50 with a strong rejection. I'm thinking that, maybe not. I mean, I could, that's what I'm kind of cheeky, but I could put a stop sell here for when it comes back down. Buys later would be crazy. Yeah, boom. I wonder if they're gonna pop back up. They might. I don't know if this is cheeky. It feels a little bit cheeky. Ellipses, you fear too much. Do I fear enough? Just because you're a robot and you have no fear, ellipses. Oh, Ricky, you just took a buy from that. Never mind. 3k profit for the day. It has no daily top wick. Money is money. You could sell at the level above, so a sell limit instead of a sell stop. Here? I could actually. What, the 4R strategy? Is that what you're saying? Well, might be too late. Let's see. And if it's a loss, it's a loss. If it's a win, it's a win. I was too late to get this in, but at least I took it. But does it make sense? Am I thinking the wrong mindset with regards to this? Like, if I just stopped overthinking, like, I don't want to say ignore confluences and things, but kind of. Limit by... Should I make it 4 and let 1 be a runner again? Yeah, that feels a little bit greedy, but let's see. I go a little bit lower. Mitigate by half. Yep. Okay. Okay, mitigate risk by half. So I'm sticking to my rules here, which is by 1 to 1R, which is around there. Mitigate risk by half. When it's at around 75%, I'll move it to break even. Okay, thank you, Boom. Ah, okay, cheers, Ricky. Enjoy. See you later. Yeah? Who makes a V, then a win. Go to macros, stop overreacting, but never stop overthinking. Ooh, oh! Webby Stoic, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Thanks. Boom. I'll hold till the gap. This whole gap? Or do you mean like until it taps into it? Is that what you mean? It's close to 75. Activate the sweet talk. And it's close to 75. We'll go break even. A little bit for the comms now, especially because I did a stop. Anyways. So short. I mean, yeah, why did you stop? Was it just too much? Careful, I can talk and show this and prove to you. Boom, I do. I've left one. I have left a runner, believe it or not. See, I'm learning. Do you think a complete gap full though? Like, this is a massive gap. Massive gap. Massive gap. Because they look at charts harder than anyone else. It's because they find a working strategy they can exploit. Joe Short is gonna go. Activate the sweet talk. Oh gosh. Mark really wants to get into yeah. Hey. Eston Nobles, what's up? How's it going? How you doing? Well, you know what? We're at break even now, so it's fine. Watch, if it breaks, it would just drop. Okay, Boom. Jeremiah, you enjoy the music? Thank you. I've heard a few people say they really, really enjoy it. I'm glad. I'm really glad. Okay. Cookies, you're so weird, but I get, you know, good for you. If it makes you happy, it makes you happy. Ah, Eston, you know what? I'm good. I can't complain. There we go. English found it, nailed it. Can't complain. Yeah, it's going good. No, just leave it at break even, hands off. Oh, thanks, Eston. That's very sweet of you. You'll never beat market. I mean, I don't plan on beating the market. Plan on trading with the market. Aha. Oh. What is red hot on MES at 800? Ooh. Oh, it might take me out at break even first, but you know what? I'm in it. It's hands off. I'm leaving it alone. Turns volatility into advantage by increasing LOK when prices fall. Timing gambles on single moves. Harvest meter. Damn, Mark, that was a lot of information. Watch the pop. Joe Short, watch the pop. Pop down. Pop up. I'm hoping pop down. The chart doesn't dictate the market. You can predict a future price based off. No, you can't, but you can. Well, no, but trends and news and all of that. I don't want to say you can predict it accurately, but you know, you can get an idea, right? Boom, you should be good. Yeah, well, either way, it's a safe trade. I mean, it's break even. Smart, don't compete, just learn, you'll never beat the market. Yeah, Joe Short, that's 100%. Trade with the market. You know, that's why, you know, some people tend to ask, do you have a bias? And you can have a bias for the day, but I think just personally you have to be willing to change your bias depending on what the charts show you. Aw, poop. Oh well. Let's see. Hey Roman, you're from Australia? Hi. Another one, I love it. So many Australians here, I get so happy. I'm dying to visit Australia. I think it looks so cool. Don't get me wrong, I'll probably freak out. Well, you know what? Spiders are fine. I don't care about spiders. I don't care about snakes. We have snakes here in South Africa. I think my thing is those massive, what are they called? Locusts. Are there tons of those there? Those are like my little nemesis. I do not get along with them. There, I will scream like a baby. And those were good fruit snacks. I'm glad, boom, I'm glad. Not looking at actually, that's what I said. That's being nice, fact no one has a chance with me. I'm faithful and loyal to my wife who's sitting right here watching it all. Oh, nice, Eston, that's very nice. Don't worry, David's just protective. Joe Short, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So, well, the micros to be more specific, so the MNQ. Oh, there we go. RKM, I hope that answers. 11, why am I always looking at a chart? Because I'm trading. Yeah. What you do when you trade. Gotta be watching the charts. Gonna test 30 to 40 level. Ah. Well, let's hope it's the 30. Ain't locust or basically it's just a massive grasshopper. Little ones I can cope with. The massive ones freak me out. I don't know what it is. I think it's their eyes. They scare me so much. I've literally run away from someone holding one before screaming, and I was just like, come at me with a spider, come at me with a snake. I'm so chill. But those things, nope. Well, I mean, Joe Short, I won't be able to. I'm South Africa. So, well, I mean, what are you asking if I want to go over and say hi? Hey, Justin Robertson, what up? How's it going? BCA weight advantage. Okay, cool. I'm trying not to get excited. The chart can sniff out your excitement. We don't have the big locust, but Africa does. Yep. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. And they are not fun. Just saying. They suck. Do I trail this a little bit? A little bit. Okay then. Trail it to there. Well, we got one runner. Oh wait, I need to do this. Stop by 1. So I still got one runner. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna come back and get me out. But either way, whoop whoop, we're in the green, guys. Okay, we got this. We got this. We got this. If it goes to the gap, it will drop. Okay, boom. Let's see. Like I said, I'm in this. We hit TP, so that's a whoop whoop, right? I'm up $254. I know that's not a lot for some people, but it's good. Green is green. Gonna go. Bugs and grasshoppers are the same. Looks what happens when grasshoppers go crazy. Yeah, Zane, exactly. And like I said, little grasshoppers, fine. That's fine. Don't get me wrong, I'm still not the biggest fan of them, but it's fine. The locusts, though, I think it's the fact that they feel like they stick onto you and they can fly and you have no control. No, I'm not okay with it. Press the boom, I'm in this trade. Nice. Boom, where's your stop loss at? What program am I using? Program? Well, I mean, I'm using Project X, if that's what you are asking. And I'm using Top 1 Futures Opera. Do you copy accounts or just run the one? Rob Freeman, just the one for now. So, because I haven't been trading very long, I might get overwhelmed if I had to do that. Yay, Ellipses, thank you. Ellipses, how's yours been going, by the way? My rule for scary animals is they're either venomous or I can't kick them away, so locusts definitely don't count. I mean, you can't kick away a locust, though. Maybe you could, like, karate chop it, but you can't kick it away. Sorry, this is the most random conversation ever. I'm so sorry. It's not a man. Shut up and make me a sandwich. I mean, if you want poison added in it, sure, I've got you. Sorry, that was very nasty. I apologize. Don't be mean, people. Be a nice. Okay. Now we go down. Was that you saw it? Yay! Okay, cool. So there we go. Well, they got to see me do a whoop whoop. And I'm not even completely out of this yet. I'm leaving one to run free. But I do have a trading stop. Well, I am the trading stop. Joe Short, you're a chef. You're a chef? That is amazing. That is so cool. I am terrible at making food. Mostly just because the person that I have to keep alive is me, and I'm like me. Point is that they're still too tiny to be scared of. Ellipses, so to be fair, I'm scared of chickens for a similar reason of... Have you seen the video where a horse actually physically kicks a chicken and it just comes running right back? Those things are indestructible. No. How long have I been trading? I've been trading since April. Oh, of course, Dave. No, I know. I'm keeping it just above. Maybe it's smart, maybe it's dumb. Let's see. If you want a sandwich, you get a sandwich. Really, I love take. That's a little bit concerning, though. Why, yes, freeze. What are we freezing? Okay. Okay. I'm scared of being greedy. Where do I call it? It's in the gap, so I don't even know where to call it. You think I am operator? What do you mean? Where did I learn? I'm still learning. Just saying. They're little dinosaurs. Oddly, yes, they are. Yep, it is. Ellipses, no. Just took the best nap. I'm still up. Yeah, I'm still up. I'm in a goodie. I think. I hope. I don't know if I've trailed it too far down, but point is I'm in a goodie. It's a very weird feeling for me. No, I'm joking. That sounds bad. Hold, just trail it down. Yep. I have been trailing it. I'm trying to just not be too, so maybe there. So it's just above that little bit of a break. But I am trailing, so let's see. Use standard deviations for reversal zone. Rating specific pit. Oh, operated. Oh, no, clearly not. I didn't. Definitely not one of those. I'm an itty bitty little teeny tiny fish in this massive trading ocean. Boom was right. 25,500 target. Hey, well, I mean, Diamante, here's your old one, which was 25,600, by the way. So short they got scared. Oh, thank you, Mike. Yeah, I went for a run this morning, so yeah. Okay, so it's done that, so I can move this closer down now. This is wild for me. Anyways. I love- wait, what do you mean? I love tech anymore. Art P, you'd be aiming for 650. 650. I mean, I'm gonna just keep trailing and hold. I mean, either way, I'm in profit, right? So this is like the second time I've done this, so I'm like, let's go. I normally don't leave runners. Normally TP is TP, but I'm giving it a go. In Boom we trust, right? Boom. Trail at that high. What, this high? Do you say I'm too low down? Me. Mike, me. Then which high? Boom. Anyways. Arms in the air. Just wait. Don't worry, I'm just waiting. I'm leaving it here. I'm leaving it. Just swipe the short first. Short was nice. Stuck on your channel. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. 25685. Oh, this high. Well, I guess now I can, right? Because it's moved further down. I'm giving it some breathing room. I don't know if that's a bad idea though, but yeah, I'm giving it some breathing room. Go short, don't get scared. Yep. Is this US Tech? No. Nasdaq Futures. Zach, we're going to 383. 383, Zach. Also, Zach, are you in this? Were you ready? Were you ready for it this time, Zach? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq Futures, guys. Don't be greedy, one candle can just shoot up. Nope, boom, you are correct. Don't be greedy. Wait, are we all on the short? You just did. So we trail every low or high it makes, yeah? Hopefully you can get your highest profit. I don't know about that. I didn't have the correct amount of contracts in this one, unfortunately. So probably not. But let's see, you never know. Hopefully you can get... Hey Max, how's it going? Do I have Knowledge of volume indicators. I have some knowledge, not a lot though, but I have some. Aww. This is gonna take us out. Kinda looks like it, hey? Max, you know what? Can't complain. Can't complain. How you doing, Max? We are in this thing. We're in this thing like a chicken wing. If it takes us out, it takes us out. It is what it is. But we're going. Oh, you meant my trade. I mean, the trade is going to get. Got me confused. The US tick was on a short too. Ah. Oh no, Chizzy, that's not good. What happened? No. Okay, well, let's see. Hey, Michael, how you doing? Nox, what happened? Why? What did you think was gonna happen? Great. That's good though, Max. My shoulder's sore. Oh, you guys didn't hear that. My whole went. I'm young, but my body clicks like I am very old. Hey, Wilpy Trades, how you doing? Candles will break your bottom screen of LED. Profit will be boom. Am I trading on ICT? I'm using some ICT concepts, not all of them, but some. Let's see, this might be where it pops back up. Nevere? Saliva? Oh, thanks, Max. I appreciate that. How to start a good trade. How to start a good trade. Boom, it won't. Okay, boom, you're confident. I love the confidence. In boom, we trust, right? In boom, we trust. If this is, I don't even know if I'm going to then end up trading this afternoon. At this point, I'll just be like, you know what? Fine. Whoa. 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 Okay. ICT macro's been quite useful, up 200 bucks on Dow. Ooh, nice, Scary. Boom, is your stop at 670 level? Where's your stop at? Justin, right? TP at 25600. We're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Ow. Isn't the trailing stop too tight? Ellipses, I'm trying to not be greedy. I'm trying to not be greedy. 667. What? Oh, boom, yours is there. Okay, I'm gonna leave mine there. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not. Oh, okay, we're out. That was good though. I'm up $387 today. Yeah. Cool, cool. I only made 8K, no. Here I am so chuffed with my $387 and here's Boom complaining because he only made 8K. Okay. Anyways. Oh, you bastard. It's gonna go back down. Oh, go on. Do it, Nox. Do it, Nox. Do it, Nox. Let's do this. unlike people in where not insanely profitable. Oh, interesting, funny videos. Well, I mean, today was good. I waited and I got in on this entry, and then I had a bit of a trailing stop, and yeah, I'm in the green. How wild. Oh damn, and it's past my time. Past my bedtime. Just kidding, it's not my bedtime, it's time to go to the horses, but damn. Oh, thanks, Geordie. I really appreciate that. Also, Geordie, did you see what the subscribers look like? BT dubs. Who that boom guy? Ban him. Ha, High Life. Do you see? That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That was High Life. You guys are so sweet. Thank you. Hell yeah, Geordie. Let's do this. For how many years have I been doing trading? I'm not. I've only been trading since April. Yeah. Abhishek, no idea. Hello, Mark from England. How are you doing? I am Maya from South Africa. I mean, that was a good place. Boom. That was a goodie. It might drop back down now. I'm not sure, but it was still good. Maybe next time we just leave it by the top of the wicks. No, that's now getting greedy. It's fine. It is what it is. Yeah, human. High Life. I read that very Scottish. David from next door to my neighbor's house. Damn, David, that's cool. You see 3 minutes into the future. Boom. I'm pretty sure your success rate would be 100% then, just saying. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it there on that super fun trade. If I had the correct amount of contracts, this would have been even better, but you know what? It is what it is. I can't complain. It's up, right? How much did I profit today? $387. Like I said, for some people that's not a lot. For me, that's a lot. So I'm happy. Oh, High Life. No, High Life, I'm so sorry. Oh, with grace. Need to go now. Maybe check you later. Okay, cheers, Nox. High Life, you're amazing. You've got this. It'll be fine. Thanks, David. Okay, guys, let me go to my horses now that I'm riding high. Do you get it? Anyways. Thanks, Justin. No payouts yet. Sorry, Kenny. How many contracts do I typically trade? So RP, typically I try. Technically I did half of what I should have done today, which is bad. Typically my risk should be around $200, which means I should minimum be up $400, but I placed the incorrect amount of contracts. So that's on me. Bad me, but it's fine. Joe Short watch will go up probably. Oh, yeah, Lipsies. And that, no, wait, maybe not. Looks like it might pop up, and that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Even my dog's coming to complain to me. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. Again, if you had fun today, like I did, please don't forget to like the stream. If you want to show even more support, I would really appreciate it. My affiliate code is TeachMaya. I'm with all of the affiliates in my description, or props, sorry, in my description alone. That was not English. In my description below are all the props I am affiliated with. There we go, nailed it. You can use my code TeachMaya to get discounts. I would really appreciate the support. Thanks, guys. Oh, nearly died. Max, I'm sorry, I didn't see what you said. What was my investment for this much profit? Well, I risked 200. Yes. Boom, banana clipped. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, again, please like, and I would appreciate the support, but I will see you guys for New York session. I love you guys. Bye.